As someone who is working full-time and growing a family, managing your finances can sometimes be really stressful, especially when emergency expenses arise. In this video, I'll break down the steps on how to take control of your money more effectively. Hey buds, welcome to the channel. Many of us find ourselves without a budget or expense tracker for countless reasons. I used to be in that mode too, struggling to manage my finances. Today I'll share 3 simple steps to help you take control of your money more effectively. So for step 1, know where your money is going. Identify the flow of your money in your bank account. So what goes in, what goes out. This is a crucial step for our journey. It lays the groundwork for better financial planning in the future. With online banking, it's easier than ever to find out the transactions made in your bank account. You can access them by either using the online banking app or by a website. Credit card transactions are also found on the same online banking app or website. Take note of the unpaid card transactions as well. If you have cash on hand, this should be also included as well. It is important that we get the whole financial picture before we move on to the next step. So step number 2, set up your money tracker. So this aims to consolidate all transactions into one view. If you have multiple accounts with online transactions, card purchases, and credit card spending, merging everything into a single dashboard will make it easier to monitor our finances. You can easily track your money without spending any of it, regardless of device or platform. In this video, we'll be using Google Spreadsheets, a fantastic tool that's not only free but also accessible to anyone with Google account. To make things easier, I've already put together a simple tracker for today's session. Feel free to download the template and get started right away. Once you have your file, let's start entering your account balance on the income side. List down all your accounts and the amount. Don't forget to add your cash on hand if you have any. On the expenses side, of course, we list down all money outgoing. This can also be as detailed as you want or as general as you want. Don't forget to add unpaid credit card transactions on this side. Once we have added all the information on the spreadsheet, we need to make sure that what we have in the tracker is the same as what we have in our accounts. You can do this by getting the total of your income side. This should work out as a total of your savings, checking accounts, and cash. Then, step number 3 is the timely update and weekly review. The ideal scenario is to update the tracker every time a transaction occurs in your account. But of course, more often than not, life can get busy, leading to occasional oversight. This is totally fine. Let's not beat ourselves up too much and prioritize getting back on top of our tracking. We can also schedule a 15-minute block of time on your calendar to review the tracker, update, and reconcile any discrepancies between your account and your tracker. I started tracking my finances using a spreadsheet with the most detail that I can put, but it's time consuming when I need to update it. So I tweaked the process and found the balance on managing my money while updating the track. Now that we have started tracking our finances, keep the momentum going by consistently updating the tracker for any transactions on both income and expenses side. We are also now more informed about our financial state, and we can start planning on the next part of our journey, budgeting, which will be discussed on the next video of this series. If you find this video helpful in any way, please subscribe and share this video to one of your friends or family member who might need help in managing their finances. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.